Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today I'm doing an aloe vera treatment that I will be putting on my daughter's hair who has passion twist hairstyle for a few weeks now. So the first thing I will do, of course, will be to extract the gel. After washing my aloe vera leaves, I'm going to cut them in small pieces before I extract the gel. And for today's purpose, I really want this in gel form and not in liquid form. If I want it in liquid form, I will be blending it. This is the reason why today I'm going to be just extracting the gel using a knife. You could use a spoon if you're more comfortable, but for me, using a knife is pretty much okay. Because I haven't got the time to moisturize her hair in the last week, I really want to add some hydration into her hair. So this is why I decided to do this aloe vera treatment. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider subscribing to our channel for similar content. And also make sure to watch the whole video because I'm going to be announcing the winner of our gift basket.
You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn it back together. Come here, cause it's time. Hold you for me.
Now that I'm done extracting all the gel, I'm going to let this sit here for a few minutes until it's all drained out. Next, I will be adding some oil, and my first choice for today will be some flaxseed oil. I will also be adding some peppermint oil, only a few drops of peppermint oil. Next, I will be adding some castor oil, just a few drops of castor oil, and mix it all together, and my aloe vera treatment is ready. To make the application easy, I'm going to transfer this into an applicator bottle. Because it's in a gel form, it's kind of hard to transfer this into this bottle. As you can see, it's actually like disgustingly falling everywhere. But this is what I wanted. I really want it into a gel form. Now my aloe vera mixed with oil is ready. As I said before, my daughter had this hairstyle for over 2 weeks now, almost 3 weeks, and I have not washed her hair. So today I want to add some hydration into her hair. So this is why I decided to do this aloe vera treatment. There are a lot of benefits for using or for putting aloe vera gel on our hair, not just our hair, on our scalp. Aloe vera can help with scalp inflammation or reduce dandruff. So if your hair has some inflammation or your hair has dandruff, it's really good to apply aloe vera gel on your scalp. Also, the fact that aloe vera gel contains fatty acid and amino acid and some other vitamins that can also help strengthen our hair. This is why I'm making sure not just to put it on her scalp, I'm also putting this around her ends to make sure that her ends stay strong and not die, and to avoid having split ends. Let me know in the comment below if you like to lose aloe on your hair, and how does that work for you? Do you put it straight to your hair? Do you mix it with something? Or how do you use aloe vera, and how do you like it?
I don't want to take your glory, yeah. Let my life be like glass so other people can see you. Let my heart be the path that lets your light come flooding in. I don't want to be a barrier to your being the desire. I want to be like glass. I want to be sometimes I really be proud. Sometimes my spirit is haughty, my heart is conceited. I wanna take all the glory. Me, I can't lie. Sometimes when I'm on a roll, and I want wanna hear
After
crowds.
putting this all over her hair, I'm going to cover her hair with a plastic bag and let her sit with it for at least 30 minutes or more. Then we'll continue with our regular wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider pressing the like button. Share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video. And why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.
Wait, Mommy, wait.
What happened?
You have to announce the 1,000 winners.
Oh yes, and the winner for this beautiful basket is, drumroll please, the Mavis Rodriguez 4244. Congratulations. Thank you for always commenting on our videos. Thank you for supporting. You have been a good supporter. So here is your prize. We thank you for everything that you always do for us, always supporting. If you didn't get picked today, don't get upset. Don't worry, because we are planning to do more giveaway this year. So all you have to do is stay connected. Keep watching our videos. You might just be the next winner to our next giveaway. So thank you guys for watching and see you on our next video.
Bye.